Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor, and you know it's the beginning of August. I want to give you the best savings across Unity, Humble Bundle, other marketplaces and all the places you can get tutorials, sounds, models and so much more, and we'll go through them all today, and I'll put the sales at the beginning which are going to expire soon, and the rest will be throughout this month. So be sure to leave a like on this video, make sure you're subscribed, and be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over another 145 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. But make sure to check all the links down in the description. First of all, we have the Cinity 8-year bonus sale, and Cinity are a massive developer on the Unity and the Unreal Store and everything in between, and they have 50% off across all of their assets, and if you do spend over $200 on their store, you get an additional 8% off, and you do get access to both their Unreal and their Unity projects, and this does expire very soon on Wednesday the 3rd of August, and be sure to check out the links to the free assets for last month, and I will be releasing one which I'll update the description when I make it for this month as well. And the next is the Learn Game Developers Bundle for beginners on Humble Bundle, Unity tutorials, Unreal Engine tutorials, drawing, character creation, asset packs, and loads of other stuff there. It's got another 2 days left to go for this 11-pack bundle. The next one with another 2 days to go is the RPG Maker Resurgence, and it's a pack which includes RPG Maker, XP 2003, MV, VX, and VX Ace with lots of different bundles, characters, icons, and everything that you can expect from RPG Maker. The next one is the RPG Game Dev Mixed Bundle, which has 6 days to go. This includes 2D heroes and characters, tile sets, icons, and everything that you can think, whether it's music, sound effects. The next one, which has got 9 days, is the Krotos sound effects and plugins for game audio, and this has presets with over 3,900 pro and royalty-free sound effects for folly, surfaces, magic, weapons, creatures, vehicles, and so much more. And the last Humble Bundle, which is 16 days to go, is the Ultimate Fantasy RPG Developer Pack, which comes with 3 sets of different tutorials looking at a 2D side-scroller, a top-down game, and a first-person shooter with character modules, and it comes with loads of packs from Infinity PBR, which include dragons, characters, monsters, and so much more, bunches of sound effects, and a 10% off coupon for the Unity Asset Store too. Before I start with the Unity bundles, there's still the welcome offer until the 31st of December 2022, where you can save 25% off your first order on the Unity Asset Store with the code WELCOME2022, and if you do make a Unity account, you can take advantage of this offer. And now what we've currently got on the Unity Asset Store is the Indie Innovation Sale, which is spread across August, starting from technically the 26th of July. So the first one is going to be the Inspiration Sale, which is 150 assets selected to inspire game developers and their projects, and that ends on the 9th of August. The Speed Up package, which is 180 assets curated to save developers time to increase their efficiency, which ends on the 22nd of August, and then the Best Of, which starts from the 22nd to the 31st, with this a curated list of the best sellers on both Inspiration and Speed Up bundles. And these are all available on the Unity Asset Store with bonus codes which get you a % off depending on how much you spend. And each of the codes that are used do get you money off for each of the bundles which are out at the time. So currently is the Inspire bundle. If you spend $100 or more, you get 5% off. If you spend $175 or more, you get 10% off. If you spend $250 or more, you get 15% off using Inspire 2022. And then it will be the same when the other bundles go live for Speed Up 2022, Best Of 2022. And I'll put all the links in the description so you can know exactly what you're looking to get hold of. And then last but not least is Filebase, which I've featured a few times in previous videos, and they have thousands of in-game assets for Unity, which they're constantly adding new characters, vehicles, props, weapons, environments, and you can use the code SpeedTutor2022, and I'll put all the links and everything down in the description to get a free month of this to try it out and see what you think. Again, I'm not affiliated with these guys, so I don't make any sort of revenue from them. I just contact them and thought it would be a great way for you guys to get more great assets. Be sure to check out all these fantastic assets for this month. Let me know what you think, and be sure to check out all the videos for the free assets for last month, and I'll be uploading one for this month, and you'll be able to check the description soon. So be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 150 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Do come and check out my great assets on the Unity Asset Store too. Thank you so much to all my patrons, and a big thank you to Peter Steiner, Hoglan Naigen, Raheem Whitaker, Jean Pommier, Manos Verikas, Terence Conrad, Gage Linston, Walter Dunson, Joseph Newman, Rene Leisure, Topher Chambers, Kreshnik Halili, Christian Selen, Benjamin Schenkel, Alex Shen, Alyssa Faden, Daniel Getajank, LeBrons, Stephen Morman, and Rob Winkle. So thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.